Hello all, welcome to Raj Informatica. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my channel Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training in YouTube. In my channel, there are many useful Unix, Oracle, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS, IDMC videos are available. If you like them, please comment, like and subscribe my channel. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have different materials of Oracle, Unix, data warehouse and PowerCenter IICS. And also we have different interview questions of Oracle, IICS, PowerCenter, etc. And Raj Informatica is now changing to Raj Cloud Technologies. So we are starting new trainings, like new courses like Python, AWS, and all other cloud-based or all courses we are starting very soon. So please keep browsing my website and please subscribe my channel.
Yeah, good morning all. So today is batch 23 session 10 doubts clearing session. So I am giving the sharing access. So if you have any doubt, you can share your screen and you can ask me the doubt. Till now we completed 9 classes. In these 9 classes, if you have any doubt, just share it with, talk with me. Anyone want to share the screen? You can directly share the screen. Guys, I have given the share screen option. So no doubts. You don't want to share the screen? Can you reply in chat? Are you able to hear me? Okay, somebody has shared. One second, let me unmute you. One second, hold on. Okay. Janardhan, can you speak up?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I performed this task, products TGTFF, no? In target, just a second.
Can you show your target?
Yeah. One second. This is my target, sir. Actually, what happened is
See, you are sharing only your Excel sheet screen. You have to share your entire screen.
This is the target file, sir.
One second. Wait. What you are sharing? Can you tell me?
I performed this task.
This task, okay. You are not sharing your entire screen. Stop your sharing and select share option. I'm stopping you. Share again now. While you are sharing, you select the first option.
Okay. Screen. It is showing screen.
Yeah, click on the screen.
Okay, are you able to see, sir?
I'm able to see only target now. You have to share your entire screen, Janardhan, okay? Now it is okay. Yeah, now it is okay. Tell me now.
1 second. I performed this task, products. After performing this one, I got result. This is the target files folder. This is the target file. Products TGTFF.
Click on yes. Now close this. Don't save. Now open it.
Actually, what happened is here description data has moved.
Now open the mapping. I got it. Open the mapping.
This is the product TGT FF, sir. Target.
Okay, give me the approve.
Okay.
Okay, leave your mouse.
Okay,
wait. So this is your target table, correct? Target file.
Yes. Yes, sir.
See, can you open the Excel sheet, that requirement Excel sheet, tasks. See, it is a comma delimiter, okay? I told it's comma delimiter, correct?
Yes, sir.
But in the mapping, what you have given? In this, you have given pipe delimiter. Why?
Not this one, sir. This is the product FFTGT.
Then which one?
1 second.
See, you are confused. 1 second.
This one, sir. 1 second.
Open the mapping first. Leave about it. Which is the mapping in this? In these three, which one?
Products. 1 second, sir. Let me see this one. TGT FF, sir. Products TGT FF. That one, sir.
Okay. Now in this is your mapping. Okay. In this mapping, what is your target file name?
TGT FF, sir. Products
TGT FF. Okay. Products TGT FF. Okay.
That one, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the delimiter for this.
Okay.
This is comma delimiter. Okay. Fine. Now let's see the columns. Product ID, product name, description. Okay, done. Now this is the mapping. Okay, let's see the mapping. Okay. Category ID, list price, description, product name. Okay, everything is okay. Now let's go to workflow manager. This is the session, correct? Open the task. Mapping.
That one, not I think, sir. It is products FFTGT it is showing.
Okay.
Ours is products TGT FF, sir.
Products TGT FF. Okay. This is all correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now this is your source. This is your target. In the target, you given products TGTFF.csv.
Yes,
let me see the delimiter what here. It's a comma delimiter. Okay, fine. Now everything is okay. Now, 1 second. Let me go to your TGT files. Close this first. To avoid confusion, what I am doing, I am deleting these two. Okay.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, deleted. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now start the workflow. So 19 records loaded. Okay. This is the mapping. So this is the target. Wait, hold on.
Same, it is repeating. Description move to standard cost also.
Product name is okay. And description, standard cost. Maybe why? Because I'll tell you. Description problem, correct? Okay. Let's see the mapping. See what you have done. 1 second. It's correct only. Description to description. Description and string 20. See, everything is correct, okay, but sometimes if it is like this, for example, you are unable to find out what is the problem, okay?
Yes, sir.
Everything is correct only. Now what you do is better delete this flat file, okay? There is something internally, something will be there. Just rename it, okay, and I'm deleting the flat file, okay? Yeah, target I'm deleting. Now what I'll do, I'll drag again, products correct. Products to target designer. So I'll rename this products underscore TGT underscore FF new, something I'm giving like this, okay?
Okay.
And now flat file, advanced, comma, okay? Apply, okay, save. Mapping, products TGT FF new. Yeah. Save, connected everything. Now go to workflow manager, refresh. If you're getting this error, then disconnect and connect. Open the session. Mapping, target. So give the name .csv. Okay. Save. Now what you do, start workflow. Go to monitor. Succeeded, right? Now go to targets. Why still it is? Is anybody got this error, guys? I don't know why this is coming it like this. It should come properly. 1 second, let me ask anyone. Filter condition. Let me see the filter. Filter condition, there is nothing is doing with. Did anyone get this kind of problem in this mapping, guys? Filter condition is perfect. Okay. Product age is greater than 100. Source data. Yeah, let's check source data. Source data also. Is it OTSRC data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know why it is coming like that. Let's see. Wait. It's correct only. Source is correct. I'm just deleting it, the mapping, the entire thing, and I'm doing, but target, everything is perfect. Let me see the target again. Product ID, name, description, list price, category ID. Did you change the source, this one? Anything you changed? Or is it same? Just imported.
Just imported, sir. Yes, sir.
Just imported. Let me import again. Okay, let's see now.
In other scheme also source file is there, sir. Please check once if you have any doubt.
1 second, hold on. What I'll do is I'll just delete this mapping.
Okay.
I'm doing it again.
Delete source also, sir. These products also.
Let it be, let it be. That's not a problem. Products is correct only. Products TGTFF new, we'll take it. Okay. Take the filter. here. Okay, this is okay now. In the filter, let it be everything, will send it. We'll see that later, filter condition. Let it be true only. Okay. Now disconnect and connect. Is the password is not admin?
Admin only, sir.
Okay. So what is search due to correct?
Yes, sir.
And yes, okay. And output fields. Okay, let's go to here. Yeah, let's run the workflow. Completed. Still it is same. What is the description we have here once again? Why this is given like this? See, product name is Intel Xeon, okay. And what is the name here? Okay, description is
description
6.3. Okay, there is a comma here.
Yes, sir.
Anyone done this mapping, guys? Anyone done this mapping? One second, let me see. Others, anyone done this mapping? Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, Janardhan, I'll check
No,
this.
sir.
Okay, and I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'll see why you are getting like this. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So any other doubts apart from this?
No, sir, nothing.
Nothing, right? Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, it's the best example, anyways. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Next, anyone want to share the screen? Guys, anyone want to share the screen? Okay, unmute please. Speak up.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm not able to open the repository, sir. Actually, I'm trying to open from last 9:30. It is not, restarted also, it's not coming, sir. Service is also running. Actually, I have issue with 10.2 also. And from your team, Prajakta deleted, uninstalled that. And on Sunday, she installed this 10.4. And even I am facing this issue.
Okay. So I'll ask Prajakta to help you. Okay.
Okay.
She will
Okay.
connect.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sure. Next, any
Thank
other
you.
doubt?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next. Anyone want to share the screen? Anyone want to share the screen? Guys, anyone wanted to ask the doubt? Anyone want to share the screen? So nobody having no doubts? You are all clear with all the mappings? Okay, 1 second, Priyanka, 1 second. Priyanka, speak up. What is your doubt?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, I have a small doubt. Like, in case if in my source table, and I have a source table and I have a target table, but some of the data is missing in the target table. Okay, like 2 days data or 3 days data is missing in the target table. So, how can I update? So, is it possible to update the data into the
Yeah,
target table?
we have update strategy transformation. We have S3 type 1. That I will cover later. We can.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. One more thing is like I have a one source table where I have the total data and target table where I some data is missing. Like for example, gender. For some people, the gender is mentioned, and for some people, the gender is not mentioned. So how can I update? Like in between, if I want to update the gender, now I want to update the gender
You
to all
can.
the.
You can by using S3 type 1 and update
Okay.
strategy transformation. We can. That I will
Okay.
tell you in the later sessions about the updates.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Any other doubts?
Nothing, sir. Thank you so much.
So you are able to practice everything?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are able to understand my sessions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks. Yes, anybody want to share the screen? Who is this? Yeah, speak up, Yatish.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in Informatica Designer, I'm not getting the output for this in period data.
What is the output?
I'm getting in Oracle. I'm not getting in Informatica. I'm getting this error.
Okay, 1 second. Approve.
Okay.
Okay, leave your mouse.
Okay.
See, when you get this error, go to these 3 dots. Go to your target, which is this is the target, correct? Target schema.
Yes, sir.
Double click and go to advanced. Click all this, okay? I told this in the class, okay?
Okay.
Apply. Can you apply and okay? Now try, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
getting.
Got it?
Yes.
So you have
Yeah,
to
got
double
it.
click. You have to click on this
Okay.
and go to your target ODBC connection. Double click. Then go to advanced. Check all these options. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Any other doubts?
No, sir.
So you are able to practice everything?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Next. Who want to share the screen? Next, who want to share the screen? Guys, anyone want to share the screen? So no one want to share the screen? Are you clear about everything? Guys, can you reply in the chat? So are you clear with everything? Shall we start a topic instead of waiting with others? You are unable to unmute. 1 second, Rajesh. Tell me, Rajesh.
Sorry, unmute again and speak up.
Yes, Raj, now I'm audible, Raj.
Yeah.
So, Raj, due to some bad health issues, I was unable to practice. So now I am practicing at 5th class. So can you suggest any way to catch up with present class?
You have
So
to practice, that's it. You have to spend time and practice. There is
Okay.
no other way, right? You have to watch all the videos.
Yes, Raj.
Yeah.
So from 11th session of these recordings will get only 1 day access, right?
You WhatsApp me, okay?
Okay, Raj.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Next.
Raj.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. Next. Anybody having any doubt? You want me to unmute? If you want me to unmute, tell me. I can unmute and you can ask your question. Anybody wanted to unmute? So everyone, are you clear about it? What happens if you change primary key to no key in source table? Source table we should not touch. Source table we should never touch. Okay, I'll tell you anyways. Yeah, Ravikumar, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Good morning. Tell me.
Sir, this is my second live session, sir. Actually, I joined in last session only. So I have practiced the previous batch, sir, on 18th batch you have given me because I am old student, sir. So I have practiced till 7th session, sir. So I have to practice this 23 batch, sir.
Yeah, anything is okay. Yeah, you have to practice. Yes.
Actually, that is also same, no, sir. 23 batch and 18 batch also.
Yeah, same.
So there is any difference between
Nothing. Same. Almost same. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next. Anybody wanted to unmute? Anybody wanted to speak? Anybody wanted to speak? Subhashini. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, Subhashini, speak up.
Hi, Raj.
Yeah, tell me.
I have joined the class yesterday only. I need to get Oracle queries and also practice. Could you please update on that?
Sorry, what queries you want to say?
Oracle to practice the Informatica mappings. I need to. Oracle queries are all there, right? So
yeah, whatever till now covered, you need to practice them. Whatever covered in the classes, you watch the videos, you will get to know.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Only few completed, okay?
Okay.
So Oracle queries means you no need to directly practice the queries, okay? I have explained few topics, okay? So you just see the videos. I explained DDL, DML, TCL commands. I explained null, not null. I explained order by. I explained operators. Only these are covered, okay? Remaining will be covered in the future sessions.
Okay, Raj.
Okay, you got it?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, next Durga Prasad. 1 second. Let me see one by one. Hold on. Yeah, Durga Prasad. Tell me, what is your question?
Yeah, the same question somebody asked, right? It's on the key that we are
source. If you change the key, correct?
Right.
In source is not our property, okay? Source belongs to source team client, okay? You should not change anything in the source. Understood?
Okay. But we are not changing in the source, right? We are only doing it at the mapping level.
Whatever in the mapping level also, if there is a primary key in source in Oracle and database, you should not change in mapping level also. If you change it, it will not work at all. For example, there is a source table customers, okay? In Oracle database, we have a primary key, okay?
Okay.
But if you change that, if you remove the primary key, for example, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. This you will understand when I explain about source qualifier transformation, okay?
Okay.
So as a thumb rule, you should not change anything for the source. Source you should import, that's it. Whatever you want, you can ask your team lead and change the target if you want. Suppose there is a target primary key. You want to remove. You can ask your DBA or you can ask your team lead and you can remove it, not a problem. In mapping level or database level, wherever. Because target is our property, but source is not our property. Understood?
Okay.
We will just get the data, correct? That is why we are reading from the source. We are not changing any source data, correct?
Right, we are not changing.
Yeah. So you should not change either in database level or in mapping level for source. But you can remove some columns that you will understand when I explain about source qualified transformation. You ask the same question at the time, okay?
Sure.
If I remove the primary key in mapping level in source, what will happen?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll remind you.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Okay. Any other questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay, next. Krishna, correct? Okay, 1 second. Yeah, Krishna, unmute and speak up.
Hello.
Yeah, Krishna, tell me.
Hi, Raj. Able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Tell me.
At which point of time we can go ahead and apply for the job?
After completion of the course, okay? Not before that.
Okay.
Till last session is important. Okay. You understood?
Yeah.
Until completion of the course completion, don't search for anything because every class is important. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, that's
okay. Sure. Next, Ram. Yeah, Ram, speak up.
Yeah, hi Raj. Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning.
So, what is the purpose since they are mentioned? What is the purpose of removing all the primary keys and foreign keys while creating
as of now?
the target?
As of
yes,
now,
yes.
correct? As of
yes,
now.
yes.
Because you don't know. Many people don't know about primary keys, foreign keys. That's it.
Yes, correct. So since
That's
we
what
are
I'm
not
removing.
connecting, okay, since we are not giving any relation to the two or more tables, so we are not going with any keys, right?
No, not like that. Not like that.
Okay.
See,
then
if you don't have relationship, primary key we can at least use, right? For relationship, we can use foreign key, primary key, correct? But for just purpose, why I am removing foreign keys and primary keys as of now is people don't know about it. I will cover in future classes. Okay, after aggregated transformation, after group by after aggregated transformation, I'll cover primary keys and foreign keys, all the keys. Then I will not remove. You understood?
Yeah, got it.
Because people don't know, I am removing as of now. Okay.
So this, yeah, okay. As per you say, the D and DDL which you have given already having relational in between the tables, right?
Correct. Yeah, we are. See, why I am removing? We are copying from source to target. Correct.
Correct.
Source is already having primary keys. If we copy to the target, the same keys will come here also. Correct.
Correct.
That is why. Okay. That's why, because people don't know about primary key, foreign key, still I did not cover in the class. That is why I'm removing. That's it. Once I cover in the class, then I will not remove. I'll give primary key, foreign keys in targets also. Okay.
Okay. So that you mean it will form an schema kind of, right?
Which one? Sorry, come again.
If you, as you mentioned in coming classes, you are not going to remove those keys. So it kind of then it going to form any schemas, right?
No, not star schema, snowflake schema, like that. Yeah. That is also there. Star schema, snowflake schema also there. We'll cover everything. Okay, one by one. Okay.
Yeah. And one more doubt is in the session, there are more properties to configure, right?
Correct. That properties also, whichever are required for our interview purpose or our for our real-time purpose. Okay, I will cover all those properties. Okay.
So since whatever we have done so far is okay for the on the real time, right?
Yeah, more than enough. Whatever I am covering in my training, this is more than enough to work on real time. Okay. So many trainings will not cover in this detail, whatever I am covering in detail.
Got it. Yeah, agreed.
That is more than enough. I will tell you the concepts which real time people also don't know. Okay. See, in real time, people will not work on all the concepts, correct? Whatever the work they have, only that will be working on. Remaining things they don't know at all. They need to learn. But you people are learning more than them. That is what I can say.
Okay. And
Okay.
one more, yeah, got it.
Mm.
And one more doubt.
Mm.
Importing the source, we could see that import from table database, import from file, and import from Salesforce, import from Tableau, kind of. So in real time also, there might be any databases other than Oracle to import and to load the data in the warehouse.
We can see in real time, your source can be Oracle, your source can be SQL Server, your source can be any database. Okay. If it is a database, import from table only. Okay.
Yeah.
And you need to create ODBC connection for that database.
Yeah,
so there, while you are creating ODBC, you will click on Oracle, correct?
Correct.
If your source is SQL Server, you need to click on SQL Server. Teradata means Teradata, like that. Maximum, we will use these two options. Which one? Import from table, import from file. Others will very rarely will use it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So target that may not be right. Oracle is source and also Oracle is target. So there might be Oracle is the source and might be the target also Snowflake or
correct. I have worked like this. Okay. In one project, I worked source and target both are Oracle. In one project, I worked Oracle as source, Teradata as target. In one project, I used Oracle as source, DB2 as target. In one project, I used DB2 as source, Teradata as target. In one project, I used SQL Server as a source, Teradata as target. Like that, anything, source and target can be anything. That is called ETL, correct?
Yes.
There is no rule that source and target should be same or this database only. But if you learn Oracle, you can work on any other database. That's the main thing.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Next.
Yeah, I'm
That's
good,
it?
Raj.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
thank you so much. Yeah.
Next. Okay, Yatish. Yeah, speak up, Yatish. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me, Yatish.
1 moment. So how to check this output in Informatica?
It's a flat file, correct? For flat file, you cannot check it. Okay, you can check it, but do we have the data in the flat file? If you have the data, you can check it. Do you have the data in the flat file? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Can you open the flat file location?
Yes, please.
Open it. Okay, there is having data. See, normally we will not use this option to see the flat files. Okay, this option we will see preview data to see the database. Okay, but flat files also you can see, but you need to configure properly. Go back. One second. Approve. It's there now. You are able to see, correct? You have to click on open.
Open. Now it is.
Okay.
In Oracle, we are unable to see the documents.
In Oracle also you can see. Try.
No, it is flat file.
If it is flat file also you can see. In Oracle also you can see. That means this is just to see the preview data. In Oracle, see, file you cannot see in Oracle. Okay. File you have to go there only. File you cannot see in Oracle.
Okay.
Understood?
You have to check the output.
To check the output, you need to go to flat file location only.
Okay.
Yeah. In Oracle, you cannot check the flat file. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Any other questions you have?
So if you change the if you change any modification, how to move to place?
Sorry, what modification? What modification?
Filter condition.
Filter condition you want to modify, correct?
Yes.
Where this mapping? In this mapping?
No, for this order.
Orders. Go back. Now remove, leave your mouse. While control your screen, leave your mouse. Right click, open the mapping. Okay, and you can change it. And you can change here. Understood?
Yeah.
Next, any other question?
After changing, how to run the RND monitor?
After changing?
How to run the output?
Okay, suppose you want to change it, okay? You change it here, okay? Suppose E is null or says ready. You change it, okay? Save. First save it. Okay? 1 second, hold on. Just a second, please.
It is.
One minute, be hold. 1 second, be hold.
Okay.
Just hold on 1 more minute, please wait.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So you change it, correct? Okay. Once you change, save it. It is from your side.
Yes.
Okay. Now go to Workflow Manager. Once you saved, go to Workflow Manager. Refresh the session. Okay. What is the orders one, correct? Open the session. 1 second. What is the mapping name? Just hold on. Can you open the mapping? Orders TGDM. Okay. Go back to the workflow. Okay. Orders TGDM. Open this. Sorry. Open the workflow, not session. Go to workflows. Orders TGDM. Clear all. Open the session. Just refresh the session, okay? Right click, refresh. Now you can check whether the changes got reflected or not. You can check here. Go to the filter. See, previous it was not null, it is null only. Okay? And you can run it.
Okay.
Understood? Yes, please. Are you clear?
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, who want to share the screen? So next, Krishna again. Yeah, Krishna, speak up.
Yeah, I have this, application support experience I have. Still, I can go ahead and apply for this jobs, right, sir? Around I have eight plus years of experience now in application support.
Okay.
So still I can go ahead and apply for
Yeah, you can go ahead, no problem. I'll explain that, okay? What to do with your experience and all, I'll explain the later sessions. You don't need to worry, okay?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Next, okay. Yeah, speak up.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, meanwhile, when you explain after, we can go through this study material and we can learn, sir, or else at last, at the end of
you can see the topics, whatever I cover. Okay, the topics you can learn. Okay, no problem. You don't need to read all. You understand? Yeah, next, any others, anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt, please? Anyone wanted to unmute? Okay. Yeah, tell me now, yeah.
Yeah, hi Raj. Since we are working on ETL, so the data base should be must. So to call the data, SQL is mandatory. So better to learn SQL at the advanced level is would be what like you would you suggest to learn SQL?
Yeah, SQL. How much ever you learn, that will be benefit for you. Okay.
Okay.
If you learn advanced SQL, then always good. But whatever I am telling SQL, that is more than enough to do a job in Informatica. But if you learn advanced SQL, PL/SQL, that will be always good for you. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, who want to share the screen? Anyone wanted to unmute? Guys, do you have any questions? Nobody having any questions? Shall we start a new topic? Everyone, please reply. Shall we start a new topic? We have 1 more hour, correct? Let me see whether Informatica connected or not. Okay, disconnected. I'll start a new topic. 1 second. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, yeah. Let's go to a new topic today. So yesterday we have seen about filter transformation, correct? Yesterday we have seen filter transformation. So let me open that. Yesterday, sorry, router transformation. We have tried about router transformation. So we have seen the differences. I don't think so. Let me see the differences between filter and router. Okay. So these are the differences between filter and router. Filter, single input, single output. Router, single input group, multiple output groups, one default group. Filter can work only one filter condition. In router, we can work with multiple filter. Router supports multiple filter conditions. Filter transformation will read the record every time for every filter. Router will read the record only one time for all the incoming records. If the filter condition is not satisfied, filter will drop the record. But we have an option to capture. We have an option to capture not satisfying records by using default group in router, correct? Yes, please. So this is the difference between filter and router. Are you clear, please? Did you understand the difference between filter and router? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Now let's go to expression transformation. Okay, today let's go to expression transformation. Yes, please. Order by, did you practice, everyone? Did you practice order by? Okay, 1 second, hold on. Arab, tell me, what is your doubt in router?
Yeah, in router, it's active and connected transformation, right?
Correct.
Yeah. You have mentioned that number of incoming transformations more than one and outgoing more than one also called as active transformation.
So no, not like that. Not like that. If any transformation is having more than one input group or more than one output group, then that is called active transformation.
Okay, can we call it as changing the row ID after the router also? Can we call it as active?
Yeah. You can.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to expression transformation. Okay.
Today, let's go to expression transformation. Yes, please. So, we have seen filter transformation. We have seen router transformation. Today, we are going to see expression transformation. So, expression transformation, what is use of expression transformation is, expression transformation is used to calculate row level records. For every row, if you wanted to calculate, anything, then we will use expression transformation. Okay. So calculation, row level calculations, expression transformation is passive and connected. Let me show you. Expression transformation is passive and connected. Let me open the notes. Hold on a second. Okay. Today's topic is expression transformation. Expression transformation in Informatica. Okay. In Informatica. So expression transformation is passive connected. Usage, it is used to perform row level calculations. That means calculations on each row. What type of calculations? Row level calculation means numeric calculations, string calculations, and date calculations. If you wanted to perform row level calculation, then go for expression transformation. Suppose you want to add 2 columns. You want to add salary and commission. Suppose you wanted to change, you want to convert the data type from date to string or string to date. If you wanted to do any string calculations, that is, if you want to perform any concat function, if you want to perform any other string function, length function, okay, or if you want to perform substring, INST or L-tree marketing functions, in that case, we will use expression transformation. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? When we will use expression transformation? So to perform row, for each row, I wanted to calculate something. Suppose there is a source, okay? For example, this is my source. Okay. For example, this is my source. Orders. Okay. Now in this source, I wanted to, or let me take employees. In this employees table, suppose I wanted to change this phone number format. I wanted to change this phone number format for every row. I wanted to concatenate first name and last name. Like this, like for this, we will use expression transformation. Now let's see the use case for expression transformation. Okay. Let us see the use case. So this is the use case. Okay. This is one mapping document. Let's see this use case. Let's understand the mapping document. Let's understand the requirement first. Okay. Then we'll go for mapping. First understand the requirement. Now the requirement is, I have a table called contacts. Let's take contacts table. Now I need to create a target table, okay? Target table anyway we'll create. In source, I have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 columns in my source. Same 6 columns. I need to create target with 10 columns. Till now, how many columns in source? That many columns in target we have seen, correct? We have seen such kind of things. Yes, guys. How many columns in source? That many columns in target we have done. Today we are seeing something else, something different. In source we have 6 columns, but in target we have 10 columns. So in this case, what to do? I'll tell you. Now, as per the mapping document, As per the mapping document, contact ID should connect to contact ID target. First name should not connect to first name. Last name should not connect to last name, correct? There is no first name, last name in target. Email should connect to email. Phone should connect to phone. Customer ID should connect to customer ID. Now we have, if you see here, we have extra columns in target, okay? These are the extra columns in target. We need to create these extra columns in target. For this full name, concatenate first name and last name. In my source, first name is Raj and last name is V. For full name 1, I wanted Raj V. Concatenate means club, add. Next, full name 1, concatenate first name and last name with a dot in between. I wanted Raj V to full name 1. Session name, whatever the session name we will give, that session name we should come to this column. Current date. If I run the mapping today, you should give 23rd April. If I run the mapping tomorrow, you should give 24th April. If I run the mapping day after tomorrow, it should give 26th of April, etc. Whenever I run the mapping, that date it should go into this column. Next, email ID length. For example, my email ID is something like this, raj@gmail.com. Then it should give the number of characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 should go here. Next, generate last date of current month. See, what is the last date of current month? What is current month? What is current month? Current month is April. What is the last date in April? 30. Okay. If I run this mapping in April month, it should give April 30. If I run this mapping in May month, it should give 31. If I run this mapping in February month, it should give February 28, 2024, like that. 24. Okay, 29, 2024, like that it should give. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? This is my requirement. Now, we should do the mapping for this requirement. Shall we do the mapping? Any doubts in the requirement? Extra columns are called derived columns. Yeah, we can call it as derived columns, yes. Or we can call extra columns also, no issues. So any doubts in the requirement, please? Reply, please. Any doubts in the requirement? Are you clear about the requirement? Are you clear about the requirement? I need the replies. Yeah, okay. Now let's do the mapping, okay? As per this, first we'll import the source. Open the folder. Import the source. So we have already contacts. If you have already, then don't import. If you don't have it, import it. Okay. Contacts imported. Now target. I want the target. What to do? How many ways you can create a target? How many ways you can create a target? 2 ways we have seen, correct? Number 1, how many ways you can create a target? 2 ways. Write a create table statement in database and import it to Informatica by using ODBC connection. This is number 1. Number 2, drag the source to target designer, rename and generate and execute by using target ODBC connection. That is also we know. Now we'll see the third method. You know these 2 methods, everyone? Did you know about these 2 methods? Yes, please. Now let's see the third method. Now let's see the third method. What is the third method is? I have a source, okay. Now I want to create a target. Go to targets. Targets. Are you seeing create? You can create manually. You can create a target manually. Create. It is asking the name of the target table. Name of the target table, you can get it from mapping document. Context region 30. It's Oracle. Yes, please. Click and create. Done. Yes, guys. Context region 10. Now this is the empty table. Okay. Double click. Go to columns. You can create the columns like this. You can delete the columns. You can copy and paste the columns. You can scroll up the column, scroll down the column. Okay. Yes, please. So now what to do? Create a table by using go to targets, create and give the name, double click, go to columns. I want 10 columns, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now one by one, take it from the here. From the mapping document, contact ID number. Contact ID, you can make it as number. Next, email varchar to 255. Email varchar to 255. Phone varchar to 20. Customer ID number. Yeah, we are creating manually. Customer ID number. Yes, please. Understanding, it's very easy method. Okay, you can use any method. Okay, it's your wish. Whichever you feel easy, you follow that method. Full name 1, varchar 255. Session name, varchar 255. Current date, date. Email ID length, number. Yes, please. Last date, date. That's it, correct? Is my target table is completed? Is my target table is completed? Now what to do next? After completion of this, what to do? Generate and execute. Generate and execute. Okay. Done. So my target table create. Check. My target table is created. Yes, guys. Now let's do the mapping. Did you understand, everyone? How to create a target? Did you understand, everyone, please? Are you clear? The third method. Are you clear about the third method? Yeah. Now let's drag the source, contacts, drag the target, contacts, TGT, drag the target, contacts, TGT 10. Okay. This is my source and target. Now please understand carefully. Now we need to do string calculations. We need to do date calculations. So for that, we should take expression transformation. Which one? Expression. Take expression. Now, bring everything to expression from source. Please try to understand carefully. Bring everything. See, today is very important, please. Expression transformation is used in all the mappings. From today, we will use almost every day the expression transformation mappings. Expression transformation in the mapping. So, please don't ignore. Please understand carefully. This is pure basics. If you learn the basics, then only you can learn advanced things. So please understand carefully. Okay. Yes, please. So now, as per mapping document connected, contact ID to contact ID, connect. Next, email to email, connected. Phone to phone, connected. Customer ID to customer ID, connected. Save. Done, correct? Whatever we have whatever we have asked to connect, we connected as per the mapping document. Is that right, please? See, in expression or anywhere, in any transformation, I told you already, there are left arrow marks, right arrow marks, correct? There are left arrow marks, right arrow marks. Left arrow marks means input ports, right arrow mark means output ports. There are three kinds of ports in expression transformation. Double click on expression. Double click on expression. You see here, there are three kinds of ports: input port, output port, variable port. What is input port? What is output port? What is variable port? Okay, that we should understand now first. Number one, input and output ports. Input and output ports means the columns coming from source and going to target. Is contact ID coming from source to expression and going to target, correct? Yes, guys. Contact ID coming from source going to target. That is why this is called input and output. Also, email, phone, customer IDs. Email, phone, customer IDs coming from source going to target. Coming from source going to target. These are also called input and output. Correct? Everyone understood? So now, contact ID, email, phone, customer ID are called input and output ports. Now, come to these two columns, first name and last name. These are coming from source, but not going to target, correct? Are these going to target? No. This kind of ports are called input. These are also called input. You can connect, but we did not connect it. We can make it as input only ports. If you don't make it also, it will work. See, if you as it is, if you do, it will work. But as a mapping standard in your real time, when you go, you should change this. In real time, you should make as input only. Why? Because these are not going to target. What you have to do, double click, remove O port for these two. Now these became input only, correct? Double click, remove the O. If you uncheck the O, output only ports, output port, these become input only ports. So the data is coming from source to expression, first name and last name, but from first name to last, from expression it is not going out. Understood? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point? And if you leave it as it is also, it will work. But when you make some column as input only port, you need to rename as I underscore. So what I have done, first name and last name coming from source, but not going to target. That is why I removed O. When I removed O, these became input only ports. First name and last name became input only ports. Correct. First name and last name became input only ports. Because we made it as input only ports. If you don't rename also, it will work. But as a mapping standards, in real time, we will rename I underscore first name, I underscore last name. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point? Everyone understanding? So if some columns came from source to expression, but not going to target, you better make them as input only ports. You better make them as input only ports and change it to I underscore. If you don't change, it will work. But as a mapping standard, we should change. Now, there are extra columns in target, correct? There are extra columns in target, full name 1, session name, current date, email ID length, last date. We should create the same columns in expression, but how? As output ports.
I can create like this, correct? Full name, like this I can create here. String 255, like this I can create. Now this full name, this full name is this full name is in source? Is it in source? Is it coming from source? This full name is coming from source? No. But it can go to target, correct? You can connect to target. Yes or no, please? Like that, you need to create these 6 columns here. But creating one by one will take time, correct? You need to create one by one. Create it, full name one, change the data type. All these are time-consuming process. It will take time. So the best method is, so that means you need to create 6 output ports. These 6 ports not coming from source, but going to target. You need to create 6 output ports. How to create output ports? Double click on expression, create a new port, make it as O underscore full name, string 255, and make it as output port. Remove the I. This is one way of creating it. But while creating, it will take so much of time. So the best method is, I'll show you best method to create the, suppose there are 6 output ports I need to create in expression. What to do? Just I'll select, click on this, keep pressing shift, click on last one. It will select all. Keep pressing shift, select last one. Drag it back. Drag it back. You understood? All columns came automatically when I drag it back. But these are all came as input ports. You change these to output ports. These are all came as input only ports. Double click with the data types it has come. Double click. Click on outputs for all these 6. Remove I. Remove I. Understood? Everyone? When I remove I, this is activating. See? When I remove I here, this expression is activating. See? This will activate for what? Output only ports and variable ports. Why I will tell you. Click on OK. Understood? Now these are all became output only ports. These are all became output only ports. Yes, guys. By seeing the logic, I have to go with expression under that. Correct. Yes. Now, if I made it as output ports, what should I do? I should rename. If you don't rename also, it will work. But rename like O underscore full name, O underscore full name 1, session 1, current date, immediate length, last date. Understood, please, everyone? Are you clear what I have done? I just took an expression. I brought everything to expression. As per mapping document, I connected contact ID, email, phone, customer ID to target. Because these 2 are not going to target, I made it as input only ports I underscore. And I need these 4 columns to my expression. Instead of creating one by one, I just dragged it back. All these are output ports because these are not coming from source, but going to target. And remove I for first click on O, then remove I. All will make it as output and rename O underscore. So by seeing this, V means variable. I'll tell tomorrow. V means variable. If I miss to uncheck output port, if you don't miss it, if you don't suppose you given like this, last date you given, you cannot write the expression. You need to write the formula here. You need to calculate, correct? Full name means what? Full name means first name, last name concatenation, correct? So that you cannot do it. Where you will write it? So make it as output port only. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, any doubts here? Everyone, any doubts, please? Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? Okay. Now we need to write expression for each column. You need to write expression for each column. Okay. Yes, please. So expression for each column. where this logic, we need to write the logic for each column. We need to write the logic for each column. So where they will mention the, okay, yes, please. Where we will see the logic here. Your client has given the logic. Based on this logic, you need to implement it now. Based on this logic, you need to implement it. Okay, understood everyone? Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. So first one, full name is what they given, concatenate first name and last name. How to concatenate first name and last name? How to concatenate first name and last name? To concatenate first name and last name, yes, please. Okay. To concatenate first name and last name, what to do? Go to designer. Open, see this. When I click on here, it is showing some down arrow mark, correct? It is showing a down arrow mark. Everyone, open this down arrow mark. Open this. Now in the left side, you will see functions, ports, variables, operators. Functions, ports, variables, operators. We have many functions in Informatica. Character functions, conversion functions, data cleansing functions, date functions, and etc. Scientific functions, numerical functions, many functions are there. Based on your requirement, you need to use it. Now our requirement is concatenate first name and last name. To concatenate first name and last name, we have a function. I'll give list of useful functions and you can read it. You can read about the function. Not all functions are important. I'll give some list of some 10 to 20 functions will be there. Those will be used in real time. So now what we need to do now? We need to concatenate first name and last name. How to concatenate? Go to character functions. We have a concat function. Now what to do? Remove this full name. Double click on concat, or you can write it concat. Concat, come to ports. Come to ports. Yes, please. First name, comma, last name. Concat of I underscore first name, comma, I underscore last name. Correct? Understood everyone? See what will happen now. The first row, for example, first row. Okay. This is my first row. Contact ID 1, first name floor, last name stone, email, like this, it will come to expression. Contact ID is 1, first I underscore first name is floor, I underscore last name is stone, like this. Now full name, what it will happen? Concatenate first name comma last name, floor comma stone. So floor stone it will give. Understood? One more way of writing concatenate first name and last name. Don't write concat function. Just write first name, double pipe, last name. Also will give the same output. Understood, please? Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Are you clear? Single quotes not required. These are column names. We are not hard coding them. These are column names. So you should not give any single quote for column names. Okay. So either you can give concat function. Double pipe will give the space. No, it will concat. It will give like this. Raj V. Raj double pipe V means what it will give? Raj V. No space, nothing. Club. Double pipe means club. Understood? Concat. Club. Add. Are you clear, guys? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? So you should give first name, double pipe, last name. Click on OK. Next, full name 1. Full name 1 is what? Concatenate first name and last name with a dot in between. So then what to do? Open this. You can write come to ports, first name, double pipe, dot in the single quotes, double pipe, last name. It will give, so Raj double pipe, it will take like this, dot, double pipe V. It will give Raj dot V. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point? Everyone understanding, please? So this is how you can write concat function. This is how you can write concat function. If you want to write in concat function, you have to use a concat function. For this, what you have to write first? Concat first name, comma, dot. First, we need to concat with dot. First name, comma, dot. Then what we need to do? Again, we need to concat this, comma, last name, correct? This is complex thing. Yes or no? Is a complex thing. Instead of this, the direct way is first name, double pipe, dot, last name. Are you clear, guys? Understood? Everyone, are you clear? First name, double pipe. This is first name, double pipe, last name. This is how we'll write it, okay? First, I underscore first name, double pipe, last name. Yes, please. I underscore first name, double pipe, last name. Everyone understanding? One second, hold on, please. Okay. Yeah. So what we have given, full name is first name, double pipe, last name. Full name one is first name, double pipe, single quotes, dot, last name. If you wanted comma, you can give comma. If you wanted dot, you can give dot. That's based on your requirement. Now, session name. See, normally, after completion of the mapping, we will give S underscore, like this, we'll give it, correct? S underscore, M underscore, context, digit, expression. That's what we do. After completion of mapping, we can give the session name, correct? If you want to space in between, you can give a space, correct? Here you can give a space in single quotes. Space is a character, correct? You have to give a space in single quotes. You have to give a space in single quotes. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear? Space means you can give a space in single quotes. Okay. So now we need to give session name. Session name, how to give? You can copy the mapping name. Go to expression. Open this. In the single quotes, you can write S underscore. You can hard code it, correct? Like this, you can give it. Yes, guys? Yes or no, please? We can give it like this. Session name. Suppose if I given session name like this, for example, I given session name manually. So still session is not created. Once we complete the mapping, we will create the session. That is why I am guessing the session name and I am giving it. But later, while I am creating a session, I given different name. Then that name will not reflect here, correct? Whatever we given, this name only it will give. Yes or no, please? Everyone? We given a session name. We guessed that we will give this session name after this mapping. But I given something else. That name will not reflect here. So instead of hard coding, we can use a variable for session. What variable you can give? Go to variables. Are you seeing built-in variables? Built-in variables. Click on built-in variables. Here we have $PM session name, $PM workflow name, $PM mapping name, integration service name, repository service name, folder name, session run mode. Like this, we have many. Just give $PM session name. Whatever you will give in the session name, it will automatically take. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Instead of hard, you can hard code if you want, but normally we do like this. Are you clear, guys? If you want mapping name, you can give mapping name. Go to variables, built-in, $PM mapping name, workflow name, session name, you can give. Are you clear, everyone? Understood, please? Everyone, are you clear, please? Guys, are you there? Please reply. Everyone, please reply. Okay, that is session name. Now current date. Current date also we have a variable. For current date, you should not write like this, correct? For current date, you should not write like this. If you write like this, it will give today this date, tomorrow also this date only. Tomorrow it should give 24th automatically. Then go to variables, built-in, we have a sys date. Either you can write sys date, directly you can write it, or go to built-in variables, built-in sys date. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone getting my point? Next, email ID length. Email ID length, we have a numerical function called length. Come to numerical, remove this. Come to numerical here, functions, numerical. Here we have a length function. Sorry, string, go to string function, character function, length. Length of email. Length of email. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Length of email. Last day. We need last date of current month. For that, we have a date function called go to date. Last day. Last day of sys date. Last day of sys date. See what will happen last date of sys date. Suppose, for example, my sys date is 1st of February 2023. What is the last date of sys date? What is the last day of sys date? It will take month. In this month, it will give 28. For example, my sys date is 25th March 2024. Now, what is the last day? What is the last day? 31st March 2024. Suppose, for example, my sys date is 1st of November 2024. Then my last day is 30th November 2024, correct? So this is how last day will work. So you should give last day of sys date. Apply. Okay, save. Did you understand, please? First name, double pipe last name, that is full name. First name dot last name, that is full name one. $PM session name will give the session name. Sys date will give the current date. Sys date means system date. System date. Length of email will give the email length in the numbers. Last date of sys date means it will give last date. Click on OK, save. Are you clear, please? If the sys date, suppose what if it is, okay, good question. For example, my sys date is 31st of December 2024. Then what is my last date? What is my last day? What is my last day? Same. It's same. Understood? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Clear about it? Okay. So now connect it. Full name to full name. Full name 1 to full name 1. Session name to session name. Current date to current date. Email ID length to email ID length. Last date to last date. Save. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Now copy the mapping name. Go to workflow manager. Go to workflow manager. Task developer, tasks, create. S_ mapping name. Create. Context TGT10 expression. Done. Double click on session. Go to mapping tab. OTSRC dev 10. Dev 4, correct. Target OTTGT dev 4. Bulk to normal. Apply. Okay. Save. Now workflows, create. WF_ session name. Save. Expression. Connected. Start. Now check the monitor. One second, please. Hold on, please. Yeah. Okay. So now check. Three entry records in source, three entry records came to target. So expression active or passive? Expression active or passive? It's passive. It's a passive. Now check the target. For each row, rows will not change. Columns will add, okay? In expression, columns will add, but rows will not change. Rows will not change, okay? Yes, please. 1 second. Hold on, please. Yeah, now see, please. We connected contact ID to contact ID, correct? So contact ID is came here. Next, email ID to email ID you connect. Next, email ID to email ID. So email ID came. Phone to phone, customer ID to customer ID. So next, see, please. Now see here. Full name. First name dot last name. First name is Floorstone. So full name is Floorstone. Floorstone. Lavera Emerson. It has come. Understood? Now full name one, a dot in between. Correct? Session name. Is it perfectly came? The session name. And current date for all records. For each row, current date is same. Email ID length. Last date. Did you understand, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Clear about it? Yes, guys. So this is about expression transformation. For each row, it is calculating full name one, session name, current date, email ID length, last date. For all rows, it is calculating. Rows will not change here. Rows will not change here. If you check the target after this month, no. You have to run at the time again. If you run tomorrow, the same mapping, this will only change. You have to run again. You have to truncate the table and run again. Understanding? It will not change automatically. When you run it, the data will change. Maybe if you run on May 1st, this will change to May 1st. This will change to 31st. Okay. Last year, no. Last day only we have. There is no last year function. Check if you want. There is no last year function. Okay, see the functions. We have these date functions. We don't have last year. We have last day function. That's it. We can get the year. We can see this, all those things later. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point, guys? Did you understand? Expression transformation, did you understand? Tomorrow we'll see one more task for expression transformation. So did you understand expression transformation, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Now, how to read the Informatica documentation? If you need help, if you want to read Informatica, there is predefined help available in Informatica, okay? There is predefined help. Suppose you want to read about filter transformation. If source table have added some more rows and again they wanted to use, can we use the same? Yes, we can use same. I'll tell all those things later. So now what I'm saying is, you want to read more about filter, you want to read more about router, you want to read more about functions. What you have to do is double click anywhere, click on help. Are you seeing help? Everyone, are you seeing help? Click on help. Go to help. There are many good guides available. You no need to go anywhere. In here only you can read, many guides are available. Go to transformation guide. Transformation guide, okay? Are you seeing transformation guide? Click on here. Now go to filter transformation. Click on filter. Click on this. You can read about filter. Use the filter transformation to filter out rows in a mapping. It is an active transformation. The filter transformation may change the number of records passed through it, like that they given with examples. Understood, please? Yeah, it will help in interview also. Yes. Tips for filter transformation. Next, router transformation you want to read. Click on router. A router transformation is similar to filter transformation because both transformations allows us to use a condition to test data. A filter transformation tests data for one condition and drops the rows that do not meet the condition. However, a router transformation tests the data for one or more conditions and give you the option to route the data that do not meet the conditions to a default group. So the router transformation is an active transformation. If you want to read about expression, use the expression transformation to calculate the values in a single row. For example, you might adjust employee salaries, concatenate first name, last name, or convert strings to numbers. You can also use expression to test conditional statements before you pass the target or expression transformation is a passive transformation. Like this, you can read. Understood? You can read each transformation completely and you will get a good idea on this and you can easily answer in the interview. Are you clear, please? Go to help, click on transformation guide and read it one by one once we complete the transformation. Next, you want to read about functions. There is one thing called transformation language reference. Click on it. Here you can read about constants, operators, variables, dates, functions. Under the functions, we have a list of functions. Today we have seen concat function. See, concat function. They given concat of, they given examples also. Okay, concat first name, last name. We have seen last day function. Last day. Okay, see, if this is our date, the last date will be this. If this is the date, our last date will be this. If this is the date, last date will be this. Then we have seen length function. Length. Okay, length of customer name. It will give like this. Understood, please? Are you clear? So you can read these kind of things. Now, next. One more thing is, see, are you seeing my all the files which I am sharing you daily? Are you opening all the files in the material? Are you opening every file which I am sharing? I am sharing good notes, images, everything I am sharing you, correct? Are you doing it? Are you opening it? Hold on. One second, please.
1 second, guys. Yeah. While doing job also we can see help. Yes. If you install Informatica PowerCenter client, you can see help. Yeah. You can go to directly here, help, contents, directly you can see it. Or you can go anywhere, double click help, you can see. If you are seeing all my, I have shared many images, okay, notepads, wordpads, PPTs. Then what is this? Why I shared this? Did anyone observe it? Is it a notepad? Anyone, did you observe, guys? What is this file? Why did I send this? I will not send simply, correct? There is a reason. There is a reason for this. It's an XML file. When you open it, it will open in Notepad. Then what is the use of it? Why I send this file? No. This is backup of your mapping. This is the backup of your workflow. If you want to take the backup, you know how to take the backup of your workflows? Do you know how to take the backup? Suppose you have done these many mappings. Okay, you have done 10 mappings. You have done 15 mappings. Suddenly your system got formatted. Everything is gone, correct? You cannot get that mappings back, correct? You have to backup. If you want to take backup, please observe carefully. See, as I told you, a workflow contains sessions, correct? A workflow contains a session, correct? Yes or no, please? A session contains a mapping. Session contains a mapping, correct? Mapping contains source, target, transformations, correct? So you can just export a mapping. You can just export, export means backup. You can export just a session. You can export just a workflow. If you export only mapping, session and workflow will not export. If you export only session mapping will export, but workflow will not export. If you export workflow, session, mapping, source, target, everything will export. So always, if you want to take a backup of your workflow. How to take a backup? Go to repository manager. We have seen repository manager for what? To create a folder. Now today we can backup by using repository manager. We can backup. Open repository manager. Click on your folder. Go to workflows directly. Suppose I wanted to export. I wanted to backup this workflow. Today's workflow. Click on this workflow. Go to repository. Export objects. Go to repository. Export objects. In your desktop or D drive or C drive, anywhere, you create in D drive or C drive, you create a folder called backup. Okay. You create a folder called workflows backup or backup workflows. Okay. So like this, there is somewhere. Mappings backup is something Informatica workflows backup. You create a folder. So here, just save. Save. Okay. Click on this. Go to repository. Export objects. Okay. Go to any drive. Desktop. Suppose you wanted to put it on desktop. Okay. Click on save or documents. You want to put it in documents anywhere. Okay. You want to put it in documents. Save. See, it exported source. It's exported target. It exported mapping. It exported session. It exported workflow also.
it will come in a XML file format. In documents we exported, correct? It will come in a XML format. Understood, everyone? Like this, you can export one by one, or you can export all at a time. You want to export all at a time. Select the first one, first work. So open the repository manager, open the folder, select it. You want to export all workflows at a time. Keep pressing shift, select last one. So go to repository, export objects. Here you give batch, anything, folder name you can give or any name you can give. Okay. I am giving batch 23 morning workflows, workflow list. You can give any name. I'm giving a name like this. Workflow list. Okay. Yes, please. Hold on. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. So now save it. See, it is exporting all the sources, all the targets, all the sessions, all the workflows. Correct? Yes, guys. Did you understand? It has created like this. Like this, it has created. Now, how to import it back to your system? How to import it back? For example, today you completed how many? 15 mappings, 15 workflows. Okay. Today you completed 15 workflows. You took a backup. You want to format your system tomorrow. You formatted, you reinstalled Informatica. You want it back, correct? You want it back. Yes or no, please? Then you can import it back. If you want to import it back, you create a folder first. Go to repository manager. You create a folder. You can import in the same folder or different folder. So I am creating a folder. Okay, I have class mappings are deleted. I'll create again. Just hold on. So daily I will be sending this kind of whatever I shown you in the class, I'll sending the workflows. If you wanted to import into your system, go to folder, create a folder called any name you can give. I am giving class mappings. Now in this folder you want to import it. In this folder you wanted to import it. You wanted to import one workflow first. Go to repository, import objects. Where you have saved already documents. Here you saved this workflow, correct? This workflow you wanted to import it. Select this XML file, click on open. Or you wanted to import whichever I shared yesterday, router transformation. Browse, go to that Session-10 router transformation. It will show only XML files. Click on open. Next, now see, I given evening batch 2. This workflow I given for evening batch 2. It is showing this is my system. Add all. It will come to your system. Next, my system, my repository name and folder name. Your system now. Click on it. In your system, this is your system, your folder name. Class mappings. Click on OK. Next. This one you replace it. Default session config, replace it. Next. Close. Import. Imported. Now how to see that? See, it is imported, but you cannot open in repository manager. You go to designer, disconnect and connect your repository. Disconnect and connect it. Disconnect and connect it. I connected. Okay. Now class mappings will come here now. See, is the class mappings has come. Open this. Now see the map workflow. This is the mapping has come. Same way, disconnect and connect the repository manager. It will come here. Understood? Are you clear, please? Now we exported all the workflows. No, we can import all at a time. Repository. Click on this repository. Go to repository manager. Import objects. Browse. Now documents. Here, batch 23 morning workflow list. Click on open. Next, see here.
these many sources, these many flat files, these many targets, these many mappings, sessions, workflows. All you can add all. Next. So I am selecting here. This is my folder. Your repository class mappings you select. Click on next, next, next. You can replace this. Replace, don't reuse, replace. Close, import. All sessions, workflows, everything will import. Now disconnect and connect your folder. Disconnect and connect in the designer. All folders will, all mappings will come there. Is it come? Did you understand, please? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Did you understand, guys? Clear about it? In Oracle, you need to take backup manually only. There is no such option like this. We have an option that we'll see later anyways. Okay. So did you understand now? Are you clear, guys? Understood? Clear about it? So today we have discussed check-in and checkout. I will tell you. Versioning concepts, I will tell you. What is use of check-in and checkout? I will tell you. Okay. So did you understand router transformation today? Did you understand, did you understand expression transformation today? And did you understand how to take the backup of the workflows? Everyone, are you clear, please? So this session will be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, you can watch it from YouTube. And while watching, if you like my video, you can comment on it. I will never ask positive comments. If I wanted to improve my training, you can give the comment. Whatever the comment you want, you can comment on it. Okay. I never ask the positive comments. Whatever the comment you want, you comment on it. But please like and comment and subscribe. Will you comment on it, guys? This video will be uploaded in YouTube now because it's a doubts clear session. As we don't have many doubts, we went for one topic. This video will be uploaded in YouTube. And please subscribe Raj Informatica YouTube channel. And also like and comment. Whatever you feel about my training, you please comment on it. Okay? Will you comment, guys? Will you comment? Yeah, please don't. So please don't miss to comment. Okay? Fine. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Next session is on tomorrow. Okay? So please practice expression transformation today. Can you select one workflow in 23rd batch? Means you can select any one, no problem. One you can export it, one you can import it, all you can export it, all you can, whatever I explained today, that is the task only. You complete the task first. We'll see other tasks. Okay. Whatever I explained in the mapping. Okay. So the same thing. Yes, please. Same thing you practice. Okay. So see you tomorrow, everyone. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Previous mapping documents will be available in the website under the video in our Raj Informatica website. Okay. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you all. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Have a good day. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Before winding up the session, please subscribe my channel rajinformatica.com. In this YouTube channel, we have
many YouTube videos available. PowerCenter, IICS, Oracle, Unix, many useful videos. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And we have a website, rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have different materials of all the courses materials and interview questions available. And Raj Informatica is now changing to Raj Cloud Technologies. We are starting new courses like Python, AWS, Azure, and other courses. So please keep visiting our website, Raj Informatica, and please subscribe our channel, Raj Informatica in YouTube. Thank you.